Right, Jason, what have we got now?
Feeling very, very, what do you call it?
Stupid.
What do you mean stupid?
Lots of it stupid. You know, we do play the piano.
What's one of them? Dead one of them.
Yeah.
Right. Right, I can't think of an intro into it. We've got a Dethleffs.
Yeah.
You like a Dethleffs, don't you?
I do. Good German engineer.
65k this van's going to probably cost you. It's a 19 plate. It's a 2019. I just said that, haven't I? Yeah. It's only done 7,000 miles. 2.3, 150 brake horsepower.
What model is it?
Abracadabra. Come on, abracadabra.
I think it's got you under the spell, hasn't it? The old Black Magic. It's the Dethleffs Black Magic edition.
Magic edition. Let us know, please, in the comments why it's called the Magic Edition, because we haven't got a clue. We could go Black Magic, will that be the dark?
Because the Germans can't spell magician.
Magician magic.
So they spelt it Magic Edition instead of magician. No? Right, go on.
No. Again, van's just come in, hot off the press. It's had a few services, got signal on, it's got a ghost immobiliser on. Well, that's a nightmare, because what you have to, I can't tell people what you have to, can you? That's to be able to start it. Right, what we're looking at here, Kev, length is 7.41 metres, so it's a biggie.
Yeah.
Liking the wheels?
Yeah, 16-inch alloys. Yeah. What we're looking at weight-wise?
Weight-wise, 3850. So what's that telling me?
So you'll need a C1 licence to drive it.
Yeah, let's get some keys on this as well. What's the fresh water?
Fresh water, I'd say 120.
90.
90.
What's the waste?
80.
90.
Yeah.
I think that's about it for us, isn't it? Yeah, okay.
Get a hammer on it.
Now I think I'd have probably gone with a black awning, wouldn't you, if you'd had it put on? Although having said that, I can see probably why they went white, because the bit's white above, isn't it? Yeah. That's a nice awning light.
Yeah.
These are nice lockers, these are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, when you find the key to get in them.
It's got to be these, Kev, hasn't it? There's a technique. Oh, Kev.
That's different, isn't it?
Stand back.
I like that, yeah.
I'm only guessing.
Yep. Now, isn't that good?
I'm liking that.
I am.
Come round the other way, Kev.
How often do you struggle getting a gas bottle in?
Mauling away.
Yeah.
Kev, I need to change my gas bottle.
Oh, it's the one at the back. It's the one at the back that's empty.
No problem.
Yeah, so
there
you can get at the one at the back.
I can do there. I can do there.
Yeah. I like that.
I do like that.
Yeah, very good.
If that comes with them.
Yeah.
What do you think? I think so as well.
Well, it's got to, yeah.
It's got to. Yeah, because I'm seeing no screw holes where
no, that's standard.
The regulator would go.
Comes as standard.
Yeah, I like that, Kev. Nice chunky lock.
I reckon we've got a nice big garage as well.
I think
we've got a big garage door, so.
It is a biggie, isn't it? What we're getting, Kev. Oh, I've locked them now. Right, are you ready? Oh, some stuff in here, isn't there?
Bit of a telly there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just come in, so it's got all the kits put in it.
Yeah, we need to give this a really good clean up,
jack and wheel brace there.
Yeah, that's probably for the bed.
Yeah.
And everything.
Yeah, you've got a board there, which would be something for a bed makeup.
Okay. Let's go inside, eh?
Yeah.
Typical continental, Kev.
Yeah, A-class style lounge area.
Yeah, it's a big lounge area there as well, isn't it?
Just quite good. I've noticed something else as well, Jason.
What?
You're going to have to do a bed makeup.
Oh no.
Telescopic table. That's what all that stuff was in there. Man, you'd have to rummage all the stuff out of the garage.
Right, okay. Okay. So we're getting a nice good skylight. I like in this. Just goes with it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Kev, come and have a look.
Opening skylight as well.
Yeah, come and have a look at this. Come and feast your eyes on this.
Hang on, look.
I'll do the cab then.
Yep, we're automatic. Well, Comformatic. Got a Comformatic gearbox. Typical Fiat dashboard. Oh, it's got climate control as well. That's quite good. Good heating system, that. Yep. Good aircon. Right, go on.
Do you like that?
Yeah, it's like being on board a ship, isn't it?
I like that, Kev. I really do like that. Truma heating and hot water system as well.
Nice storage around here as well.
There is.
Got all these little storage pockets.
Storage underneath.
Yeah.
Basically, probably the fresh water tank's going to be under there, isn't it? Yeah, fresh water tank.
Like the lights. Like those lights.
Kev, do you want a light?
They're your favourite, aren't they? Yeah.
There you go.
It won't work now, though.
There you go.
Yeah.
It's working. Nice surround.
Yeah.
Again, I do like. Oh, this does want a good cleaning. This does.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. Do you know when we get vans in like this? There's nothing better than getting them up to nice.
Yeah.
I like the challenge with this.
Yeah.
Sometimes when they come in nice and clean, it's brilliant. But I do like getting a van up to mint, so I'm going to look forward to doing this financially. I do like the hobs when they're at the back.
Who's going to like doing it? Emily.
No, I might help.
Oh, yeah.
I might clean the top. Look at that. Right, ooh, big lockers there.
Yep.
Good size lockers.
I like the lights.
Again, just come here, Kev. See your little surround.
Yeah.
That'll be nice at night. That will.
Oh, lovely.
We're getting a grill and oven as well.
It's one of them vans when you parks on a site, you'd leave your blinds open so people could see your nice lighting.
We've got a wardrobe here.
Yeah.
Jeepers creepers.
That's a tall one, and you've got your sergeant unit in there.
Yeah, that's a big, isn't it? And then move. Oh, okay. I'll let you do that, Kev.
Oh, that's nice, yeah. I like that. There's your shower screen there that pull across. You got a duckboard.
Yeah, good size, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I like the black top on there.
It's the black edition.
Yeah.
No, magic edition.
Yeah. That's a nice shower area. Very nice.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then
big fridge freezer.
Freezer. Big fridge.
Yeah.
As well. What's in there?
Oh, that's
What's that?
it's
What's that? Is that for your towels? Tea towels?
it could be. Yeah.
Like
Like a towel rail, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's for your tea towels. And
It's got to be, because you couldn't put anything else in. 'Cause
No.
It's not wide enough, is it?
I've never seen that before, have you?
No. Ooh, yeah, it does need to clean.
It does want a good clean, doesn't it? This is why we show you as to come in
As some of the
what
vans
we have
come
to
in,
do.
And what year we're looking at?
19, isn't it?
2019.
Yeah. Right, so we're moving to the back. I think these are my favourite type of layouts here.
2 singles or a big double.
2 singles, like Kev says, we can pull out and make a big
Drop
transverse
the other
bed.
cushion in there.
And then again we're getting our lights around, and we've also take your own light with you. There. Here we go, Kev, let's go. Storage, good storage.
Good storage there.
Yep.
Same on the other side.
Good storage. You can just see down there, you got the drain off.
Yep. That's your drain off. Yeah,
Nice easy spot for it.
Plug socket in there. Light switch.
Yeah. And then we're going to have it on with Kev.
Storage
again.
Yeah, and under the other one.
And under the other one.
Yep.
Storage again.
Handy for shoes then.
Yeah, we've got the blinds, fly screens as well. Hey, what are they for, Kev?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't. Got another telly here.
Oh yeah.
Another telly as well. This bit here will slot into here.
Yeah.
For making the bed up as well.
I think
Plenty of plugs in here, you know.
Yeah.
Loads. Yeah, look at loads of plugs.
I think they're to protect your blind. When you got your blind down,
Yeah. Okay.
if you push against your blind, if you get, when you're in bed, so it doesn't damage your blind, don't push your blind right in.
So if you're having a nightmare and you're like, ah, yeah, like that,
You are a nightmare, Jason.
Oh, it's nice, this fan, this Kev. This is going to be a really nice fan. Let's have a look at this
Look
bed.
at these little hooks. Yeah.
Yeah.
There as well, look. Just something like that I like.
So you can take your top off like this, Kev.
Yeah.
Like so.
Yeah.
I can go like that.
Yeah. Good, that, isn't it?
I like that.
When you said there's a telly in there, there's none in here though.
Hey, but there could be.
There could be. Yeah.
Could be, because there's your bracket, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all set up for one. Yeah.
So you have got it there. There's coffee, haven't there? I'm just checking if you. Yeah, you got your aerial point there as well.
We'll found something else, Jason.
Oh. Oh, that's nice. How many sockets are there? Oh, 12. Oh, they're all 12 volts. And then they're 230. There's plenty of sockets, isn't there? There's sockets everywhere.
No, good.
I do like that, yeah. Hang on, Kev, I found something else.
I found another drawer.
Keep finding things, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. What have I got here?
A table.
Yeah, I know I've got a table, Kevin.
You'd have to take your cushions off and everything first.
Taking my cushions off first. Put a pipe in there. Just tell people what that's for. These here.
Right, you've got that wheel there, the black wheel, so you can part drain your tank. So you can travel with 20 litres, yeah? Which you actually get then, you'll get 3/4 of a tank. Or you'll drain 3/4 of a tank and you end up with 1/4 of a tank. So you're not travelling with too much weight, because a litre of water weighs a kilogram.
Okay, right, ready for bed? Not one to be beaten. After plenty of research, and believe it or not, I couldn't find anything on the internet that shows you making up this dinette into a bed. So he's a world's first exclusive. I've finally cracked it. Are we ready? Let's go. We turn the knobby thing. Oh God, that's a good start, isn't it? Turn the knobby thing down to push the table down. Oh, for Peter's sake. Okay, one table down. Right. You pesky thing, I do not need. Okay. You is going to go over there. You is going to go there. The table here, as we see, I'm going to lift you up, put you there. This then, see the groove? Fits into there to drop that down like so. You? Oh no, now I'm in trouble. Hang on, don't worry about it. It's going to go there. You is going to fit nicely like that. See the groove? You are going to go there. You are going to fit further down, and then you are going to go into there. Now, people probably say I'm wrong, but because you've got gaps there and there. But when you actually do the test and lie on it, don't want to get my feet on there. This fan's going to be the death of me, you know. When you actually do lie down, it's quite a comfy bed actually, and I was really surprised. But there you go, the first of how to do a Dethleffs magic bed with this configuration. It's took blood, sweat and tears, and we can carry on now with the video of the van of the review.
Well, Jason, after an extensive
I'm shattered.
40 minutes.
I'm shattered.
And cushion Jenga.
We've done it.
We've done it.
We've made the bed up.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, the bed's made up. Oh, let's sleep on it, would you?
Right. Let me show you something, Kev.
Go.
I'm shattered. Dethleffs. Fantastic manual, look at that. 289 pages.
Yeah.
Yeah. We get to page 99.
Bed makeup.
Bed makeup. And we just can't work it out. We need your help. If anyone knows how to make this bed up, please let us know.
This is a YouTube channel anyway.
Let us know, because I'm worn out.
Yeah.
So we could make a single up, couldn't we? We had no problems making a single up. That wasn't a problem at all. But we're pretty much sure that that goes around there. That goes there.
Goes around there. That's a spare cushion that comes in the garage.
That was one at the garage.
And the one across the back is a spare that comes in the garage.
Which we think goes there.
But we can't.
We have made a single bed up there, haven't we?
Yeah, yeah.
But we're struggling now to make up the other bed. And it's hot. I'm sweaty, Kev.
Yeah. And we'll
I'm worn out.
we'll now say this is a 2-berth van.
Or a possible 3-berth.
Yeah, or possible 3-berth, yeah.
But we will have another go, and then if we do suss it out,
Well,
we'll
when
shoot
we've cracked
it.
it will come out on.
So, Kev, what do you think on the van?
Very nice.
Very nice. We
Love the
need
van.
help on the bed making.
Yeah.
Lovely van. Great touring van. That one went in the garage, didn't it?
Yeah.
That went in the garage. Great touring van. We failed miserably.
Yeah.
On making the bed.
We.
Well, you did. We can make a single up along there.
Yeah.
So we can make a single up on there. We just need to try and suss out to make up that area there. But if you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. We'll get this cracked off. I feel like I've failed, Kev.
I think you need to spend some time on it, Jason.
We need to do, don't we?
We. Don't you.
Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. So that, I think, is how you make up the Dethleffs. I can't find anything online. I can't find anything at all. So that did take some jiggling around and everything else, but it is quite comfy actually. What are you doing now?
What's this one for?
Are you serious? Why didn't you show me that before I made the bed up?
Didn't say it before we made the bed up.
Right, cut it out, we'll get rid of this cushion.